Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can find your Shopify merchant ID. In order to do so, here we are in Shopify and we're all logged in. And what I can tell you after doing some research and also asking the Sidekick support here is that the merchant ID is something that you actually need to contact Shopify support in order to gain access to it. So here the Sidekick support says your merchant ID is not the same as your other identifiers. To obtain your ID, which may be required, you can contact Shopify support for assistance. So then asking for additional help, I was given a link to the Shopify Help Center. So that brings us to help.shopify.com. And from here, you can connect with the virtual assistant for the Help Center, and you can request assistance with your merchant ID. That will keep you in contact with the Shopify support team, and you can request your merchant ID from them. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.